going to make a Halloween cupcake. First, I'm going to put the cupcake. Then put the other cupcake. Then get the third cupcake. Then last cupcake. Then get the marshmallows. Then sprinkles. Then whatever this is. Wait, there's 5. And the icing. Black. And the icing. And that's it. Oh, and I also forgot orange. I also forgot this. Oh, what's this? Whatever this is. Time for all the ingredients and the decorations. This. This is the scariest one. This is the scariest one. Ooh. Ooh. First, cut this and this. The white isn't open. The white's not even open.
Squeeze. This is a scary face.
How long does it take to fill everything up with green? How long does it take to... Ooh, what about this?
So what does it look like now?
A scary octopus face with a zombie.
Ako, I will make a pumpkin.
Oh, let's try that one.
A pumpkin.
Yeah.
Oh. Cupcake number 5. I mean, cupcake number 3 might be the pumpkin.
How do you make a pumpkin?
First,
Honey, this is already finished, man. How about the topper? The topper of that?
You put a topper on that.
what the?
The decor.
Oh, I know this one.
Replace it.
Tiny.
Pumpkin.
Oh, that looks like a pumpkin.
But I'm not done with it yet.
Hindi kaon.
Yummy.
It's yummy. What else?
Green.
For what?
Yeah. The top of a pumpkin is green. Yummy.
Well,
I want this to make it like a horror. Smash. Woo! The wet stopper.
what's that?
It's on the icing.
What kind of topper is that?
A wet stopper. Look. Oops, it falls. It falls on the floor, but
Baby.
it's not like that. But is it dirty?
No.
Now, what is this one? A spoon. No, wait.
How about another?
I want the ghost.
A ghost? Okay.
I drawn a ghost before. I drawn ghosts, so I may know how to do this.
Oh, that looks like a ghost indeed.
That's because it is a ghost.
Oh, yeah, that's a ghost there.
I wrote the ghost once. I painted the ghost without any to follow the drawing to do it. And to make it even look scarier, I'm even putting a scary hat on it. And want to make it arms.
Oh, that's an arm.
Ghost arms holding a powerful magnet that could hold anything metal. That could stick with gold. That could grab lots of ore from the mines and great deep places. And even using this, so let's do this. That's weird. Oh. Yes. That might work. That might work. May I just make a different color for the tongue? I mean, I might have to replace a bit of color for the tongue. But I better get that out. Stay back. Time for cupcake number 4. Cupcake number 4 will be the scariest. There was no black, so it's finally time to use the black. The black and scary.
Mamon ka to mamon sa
scary. The scary. Scary woods. The scary, scary woods. Oh, Daddy. That was yummy. The haunted forest with a little bit of green. The haunted forest with a little bit of green. Going to be go right on the toe. White should be in this corner. Strawberry. Orange, the next color. Wait, I can't see any more black. There's only a little bit of black left. A minute, I still have to cover up the orange and boop. Wait, I forgot. There's no. Oh, come. He did the black because I couldn't see it. Maybe because I realized it was on the bottom. Oh, I'm going to cycling. The last stopper for the scariest one.
Okay.
Ta-da! Yeah. That looks yummy. That looks yummy. And even smells yummy too. Where should I put this?
We not eat everything. We.
What? I just think this. I have to taste.
That's just chocolate. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You name all your cupcakes.
The forest of how the spooky the spooky
What do you name this cupcake?
The spooky forest house mountain forest. Fairy house cupcake. The vampire ghost sprinkle cupcake with too much sprinkles.
That one?
The ghost moon of fairy cupcake. And the spooky terror cupcake. Is it yummy?
So.
Very yummy. Wait, there's still more.
What's that?
Chocolate pie having cupcake. Wait a minute, maybe this one more.
The rest will be mine. No more na. It's already good. It's already spooky.
Time for the taste. I just took one bite and that's it. It is a cupcake. Wait a minute, how about this? Let me go. Oops.
You take your paper and bite.
Got to do this again. What do you use all of those for?
Yeah, I will decor later after mommy.
Already done?
And that's my Halloween cupcake, and it's already over. No more recording.